What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at another movie with a trick in it. This is an old school one, but it's a movie that I really enjoy. We're going to be taking a look at look at me, I'm already talking like the dude. We're going to be taking a look at so dumb. We're going to be taking a look at my cousin Vinny. Alright guys, so before we get started, just a few things. If you enjoy these videos, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think about these videos, because I'm kind of enjoying them, just taking a look at these shows and movies and talking about the magic that's in them. Also, if you want to learn some magic, I'm going to be teaching the move If It Could Be Taught, and if you want to learn some more magic, you can go to my website, 𝗏𝗡𝗏𝗏magic.com. And other than that, I just want you to enjoy the video. So let's dive into the movie, to the clip, and see what's going on. Alright, so at this point, 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, who's playing Vinny, is talking to one of the main characters who's been arrested or being kind of in the wrong place in the wrong time. And Vinny is not a lawyer yet. He hasn't taken the bar, he hasn't passed it, but he's trying to get the main character to allow him to be the lawyer. So he's trying to convince him, because it's his cousin, and he's from New York, and he's got that attitude, and he's got that talk, right? So let's take a look at 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 doing a magic trick, trying to convince his nephew to be his lawyer.
He wants to use serious, solid-looking bricks like these, right? Right.
Okay, so out come the deck of cards. I've known a lot of lawyers, and I've never seen one really pull out a deck of cards, but this could be interesting.
He's gonna show you the bricks. He'll show you they got straight.
Okay, so already I saw him do the get ready, and he's in position now. It kind of looks like he's gonna do a snap change, but I don't think so. Actually, I know so.
Straight sides. He'll show you how they got the right shape. He showed them to you in a very special way, so that they appear to have everything a brick should have. But there's one thing he's not going to show you. When you look at the bricks at the right angle, they're as thin as this playing card. His whole case is an illusion.
There you go. So I don't know if you saw it, but what he did right there was the move. So he was holding an ace, and now he's going to be holding something different. And I'm going to tell you, he spun the card around 360, which is not easy for a lot of people. He did it kind of rough, but this is definitely something that we could do. Let's finish off and see how it ends.
A magic trick. It has to be an illusion, because you're innocent.
That's about it. Really simple. So I'm going to tell you right now, this is something that he obviously did. This does involve a sleight and kind of use of what's around you. It's called lapping. So I think we should just break right down into it right now. I think so. We're obviously going to need a deck of cards. Now, I'm using my cards. These are the dead hands. You can get them at 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏, which will be a link right about here. And it's all we need are 2 cards, really. We don't really need anything else. So we're going to take out 2 cards. I'll show you how to get a break. I'll show you how he got the break, which was pretty bad, and then we'll show you how to do the move. What you'll see is he takes out the deck of cards, and then you'll see him doing something like this, right? And what he's doing is he's counting the cards off the back this way, right? And he's taking 2 cards. Now, just for argument's sake, let's do the exact same cards he did. So we'll do the ace of spades, and I don't know if I have a joker in here. I don't. So we'll do the ace of spades and a jack. So these cards are on top of the deck. He gets his get ready, and then he picks them up like this and here, and he's showing him the card. Now he's doing this from this chest angle up here to show him the card like this, and he's talking about the angles. Then you see him flip over the card like this, and they stay together, which is not easy to do, right? So now he's here, and he's in position to now do the move. So he's talking, he goes like this, the card goes out of frame for a second, he drops the card, and then he comes back to here. So what you're gonna see right now is what's happening, let's say from below my chest down, and that way you can see exactly how this works. So he picks up the double. I'll show you a different way to pick it up in a second. He's talking about the edges, this and that. Now he grabs the card, turns it over, grips, bends it a little bit, and then comes back to this position. And as he's talking, his hand dips under the frame of the camera for him to lap the card and then come back up. So in the movie, you see his big hand motion, and the table's pretty much at his chest, right? So the card is going right down. So he comes here, he does this move, and as he comes back, he just dumps the card, which is the card behind, into the floor, I guess, or the lap, right? So he comes out, he comes in, he drops the card, then he comes back and he finishes off whatever to show that he's innocent. You can get a pinky break. If you don't know how to do a pinky break, you'll see a little thing come up here now to teach you how to do the pinky break. Now from here, you could pick up the card like a 𝗬𝗧𝗏𝗏 double. Again, if you want to learn how to do this, you can do that over there as well. And now you're just talking about the edges of the card. You do this. You can change hands if you want. And at some point, you can do the same thing. You're going to dip by the edge of the table. You're just going to dump that card. And now you can keep going. So now instead of turning the card around like this, you can do it in one action. Get a pinky break, do a 𝗬𝗧𝗏𝗏 double, talk about the edge of the card, blah, 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 dip near the edge of the table, dump off, and you're in the same exact position. So other than that, there's really not much more to it. All you're really going to need is an area that you can lap into. Obviously, this is not a good area because it's at lap level. If the table was higher, this would be perfect. But that's about it. That's all you're going to need. So guys, this was just a short one. Let me know what movie you want to see next. I have a couple of ideas, but it could be a TV show. That's about it. So I'll see you guys next time. Practice, and peace out.
I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. I'm a scrub, but you still love me, you love me. Even though I don't make no money, you've been there when the times get ugly.